Well, we're back. The oil has cooled and now we're going to close the bottle. This is a child-proof cap. Now we're going to place the label. Here we have the label that liliacbd.com has provided us for this product, as well as the isolate CBD powder. And that is how it stays. I'm going to place the label on the bottle. And finally, this is the final product of CBD isolate oil with a 3000 milligrams of potency. Very well. In your case, you can use a 1.5 by 3 inches label for this 30 milliliters bottle. Write on the label the type of oil, the type of CBD, the strength, and the date. Powder CBD can be purchased at liliacbd.com, such as the isolate, broad spectrum, or full spectrum. This product is already pre-weighed and ready to be used. You can make oils for pets or for people. You can buy up to 18 grams of each type of CBD and formulate different CBD products or oils. It is important that the supplier, such as liliacbd.com, has a certificate of analysis or COA for each product, demonstrating the percentage of CBD and other active components as the case may be. There's a book on Amazon.com that explains step by step how to make each type of oil with options for adding flavors or sweeteners, but that will be the subject of another video. If you think this video can be useful for a loved one, share it and follow me for more videos of this type. We will be making edibles, balms, and many other CBD products here. Until next time.